coverage is very... Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys the stuff that I got from Yesstyle. So all of these are makeup besides one product, which is a skincare. But anyways, if you haven't seen my other Yesstyle haul, which is the clothing, go check it out. But anyways, I won't make this too long, so let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I got is the Essence Sun Pact by VT. This is how it looks. So it's basically a sunscreen in the form of a BB cushion. It looks very fancy, I'm not gonna lie to you. It looks very pretty. So when you open it up, it just looks like this. I'm actually wearing all the products that I purchased on my face right now, just letting you know. So I did already try it on. I did call it a BB cushion because it does look like a BB cushion, but it's actually not a BB cushion. It's like more of a swipe, so you have to swipe it because it's really hard. And then I'm gonna try it on my hand right here. So you could pat it or here. So there is a small, it's pretty clear, but there is a small white cast. It's just very light though. It's like every other sunscreen. I like it, and it's SP50 plus PA+++, so it seems very protective. So the next item I got another blemish cover cushion by COSRX. I am a shade 27. This is how 27 looks like. It matches my skin color, and I know most BB cushions are not in the darker range, so this is why I really like this, and I repurchased this again. That's how it looks. If you blend it out, I really like it, and the coverage is very good, which I also like because I have acne prone skin, so it does hide the redness of my blemishes. So the next product I got is this. Okay, so I'm kind of obsessed with BB cushions. I just like it because it gives that dewy look, and I know most K-beauty, like when I think of K-beauty, I think like glass skin, dewy, natural look, I guess. So yeah, so I got the 3CE blush cushion, and I got the coral color because they ran out of peach color, so I got this one, and I'm wearing it right now, and it actually looks pretty good. It's not too orange, but it's not too pink at the same time. So it's very tiny. It's so small, it's so tiny, it's so cute. It is very tiny. So I will try it on for you guys on my hand. I'll give it a swatch. Oh, it is very hard, and it gives a lot of product. Look at that. This is how it looks when you apply it. Let me do it on the naked. There's no product in my hand. This is how it looks on my skin. So it seems pretty natural. It's very light. I'm not really into like deep blush. It's very light, and that's how I like it. So now this is the liner. I'm wearing it right now. This is the waterproof pencil gel liner, and this is by I believe Macqueen, New York. It is waterproof. I already tested on my hand. Ready to go. I don't really use like pencils. I usually use liquid, so this is why I got this one to try it out, and to actually really like it. It's very smooth. It's easy to put on, and yeah, it's really good. I'm gonna get into the lips right now. What I'm wearing the non-sticky dazzle tint by Unleashia. So it looks, I believe that's how you pronounce it. I like this. It's not sticky at all, and I like the color on me. I believe I got color 5. I wanted color 4, but they ran out because most of the products you had to wait for 21 days. I was like, oof, I'm not trying to wait 21 days, so this is the only one that was available. So this is how it looks, and look, there's no transfer. You can see a little gloss, but there's no color. Yeah, there's no color that transfers. So it is non-sticky. It feels like lip balm, like the liquid ones. I really like like this one. This is like one of my favorite lip glosses. I'm gonna repurchase this and I'm gonna try to get number 4. So now we're gonna get into the Zero Velvet Tint. This is by 𝒻𝑜𝓁𝓁𝓁. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm so sorry I'm pronouncing them wrong. But yeah, and I got color 6 Deep Soul. This is like a velvety. So that's how it looks. It's very soft. I will apply it on my lips right now to show you. As you can see, I just did the inside part of my lips. I don't really like putting full. Is it called the granite? Is that? I believe that's what it's called. But look, it's red. So, yeah, it leaves some. The last product, I got this Deep Ocean Gel Comforter. This is one of the sponsored products. If you're in the Yesstyle influencer, so this is what I got. I don't know how to pronounce that, to be honest. It's like KLAVUU, I believe. So basically, it's just like a gel. You just put it on it to refresh your face. And we're gonna swatch it on my hands. I will go more into depth in this in my Instagram review because that's where I'm going to be filming it. So that's how it is. And it's very clear. It comes with a little spoon. It doesn't really have a smell. I think this is like, I put some. Ooh, it's very watery. That is so crazy. It's like a gel in the container, but then it gets so watery. And it blends in very quickly. Yeah, there has no scent on it. Okay, so that's all the things I got from Yesstyle. Thank you for watching. Yeah, have a good day. Bye.